Ew.
Delicious ice cream. I wanna try it. Yeah, this is my dream. It is my favorite treat. Right now I'm gonna eat.
Wow.
Ice cream is wonderful. Made of juicy.
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
I don't wanna work it out now. I just wanna play around, now. I wanna be a kitty. I wanna be a kitty. I wanna be a kitty, 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 kitty. I don't wanna work it out now. I just wanna play around, now. I wanna be a kitty. I wanna be a kitty. I wanna be a kitty. So many fruits all around me. Yummy, yummy. I really want to have a bite. Delicious strawberry, such a delight. Super fruits and vegetables, super fruits and vegetables make the super, super, super strong. Super fruits and vegetables, super fruits and vegetables, I really love
Wow.
them.
no.
I need a pee-pee. I need a pee-pee. Where is my lovely potty? I need my potty. I need my potty.
Little baby, that's not right. This is a shop for us to buy. Little baby, follow me.
Excellent.
Find the toilet, don't worry.
Good job.
When I'm playing and I want to poop, I don't want to go out on my poop.
Don't do that. Then hold your poop. Run to the party and poop, poop, poop.
To the party, have a seat. To the party, poop, poop, poop. To the party, have a seat. To the
Wow.
party, poop, poop, poop. Use the toilet paper. Wash your hands.
Yeah.
Play, and have some fun.
Fantastic.
Oh well, I'll read the script while I'm waiting. Oh, the alien crashes on Earth in his spaceship and meets the princess in this palace. But wait, the princess has a wicked uncle who's locked her up. This is good.
Oh, it's okay. It's only me.
Good. You shocked me.
Yes, it's this alien head. It's very itchy. Where's Keith?
On a tea break, I think.
Oh, of course. Well, we can rehearse without him.
Okay, let's do the bit where you arrive at the palace and you're looking for the princess.
Okay, then, but this thing is very, very hard to see. And it's terribly, terribly hot. Right, here goes. Fair princess, I have returned.
Okay, what happens now?
Well, then the princess comes in. Oh, I'll come in. Oh, I'm so sorry I'm late. Late again. There's lots of people outside the studio, you know, autographs, selfies. I couldn't get through. Anyway, here I am. Who are you?
I'm Rebecca. I'm the new film director.
Oh, very good. Hello there. Can we get on, please? It's very, very hot in here.
Okay, the alien needs to come and stand right here, and you should come to meet him just there. Perfect.
Fair princess, I have returned. We must leave this place immediately, as your wicked uncle will wake up and lock you up again. Tell me, princess, will you come with me now? Yes.
Okay, is that it?
Yes, that's it.
Oh, okay, good. Well, we better film it then.
Ready?
Places, please, everyone.
And I'm recording.
Good. Oh, my first bit of filming. Off you go then. Why aren't they acting? Oh, hold on. I remember, do you? Directors must say the word action at the beginning of filming so the actors know when to start their performance, and the word cut when it's finished. Action!
Fair princess, I have returned. We must leave this place immediately, or your wicked uncle will wake up and lock you up again. We must go.
Phew, my first time directing, and it almost went wrong. It's quite good, this.
Tell me, princess, will you come with me now? Yes. Now you say cut.
Oh, yes, of course. And cut! Well done, everyone.
Oh, must be time for another tea break.
Yes, of course. Tea break, everyone.
Let's play.
I quite like filming.
Rebecca, the actors have learned their lines.
Coming. More filming. Exciting.
tired.
Okay, let's do the last scene.
Right here.
So the uncle has just woken up, and you both need to rush away before he catches you.
Okay.
And action.
Come, princess, we must flee right now. Ouch! Oh, my toe! My toe!
Carry on, carry on.
This way, my darling alien. We have to, we must, what's my line?
Run away.
What?
Run away.
We must run away. This way. Oh, this costume is really, really itchy and very, very hot. Oh,
Whose phone is that?
not mine.
Cut, cut, cut. This is awful. It's all going wrong.
I couldn't see where I was going. I couldn't remember my line.
Can someone answer that phone?
It's coming from your direction.
Hello? Mr. Big Cheese? You're right outside? It's Mr. Big Cheese. He mustn't see this. Yes. Just coming, Mr. Big Cheese. Big Cheese. Okay, bye. Mr. Big Cheese, how nice to see you.
How you doing, kid? How's my film coming along?
Yeah, pretty well. We're just doing some of that filming stuff.
Okay, great. Let me see.
Not quite at the moment. Don't want to interrupt the actors in their very good work, which is going so well.
Maybe I'll come back a little later.
I'll finish off filming while you go and plan at the party to celebrate the success of the film.
The success of the film. I like that idea. Okay, keep going, kid.
What are we going to do? It's all going wrong. This film isn't going to be very good at all. Oh, hold on. I remember, do you? That's it.
Take two.
Film directors often record each part of the film more than once and then choose the best bits. That's what I need to do. Come on. Okay, everyone, we're going to need to film that last scene again. So, Princess, do you know your lines?
I think so.
And Mr. Alien, if you could move this way, then you won't bump into each other.
Great idea.
Okay, and everyone's phone switched off.
Hold on. Yeah.
Okay, great. Here we go. Ready, and action.
Come, princess, we must leave right now. Oh, this way, my darling alien. We must run away.
And cut. Excellent. Good work, everyone. Phew. We better crack on and film the rest.
Let's play.
I love you, princess.
And cut. Excellent.
Are we finished yet? I need to take this itchy head off.
Yes, all done.
Oh, thank goodness.
Mr. Big Cheese is going to be so pleased. Lots of very good filming.
So when are we going to film the big ending? You know, when the alien and the princess fly off.
Hey?
This bit.
The alien and the princess fly away to a distant planet. What? I missed that bit. We need to do some more filming, and fast.
Right, well, shall I go and get the...
You get the actors, and I'll meet you outside.
Right, okay. Tea or coffee?
No time for that.
Let's play.
Right, where are the actors?
This thing is so heavy. This way.
They're coming. I need to make sure this goes absolutely right.
We're here.
Oh, what are those things on your back?
Jetpacks, and they're really heavy. We've got to turn these things on and then press the button, and it makes us fly into the air. It's going to ruin my hair.
Okay. Shall we do it then? So if you want to head over there and start your jetpacks, and I'll start filming. And when I say action, you press the red buttons and fly away.
What now?
No, not yet. The cameraman's not here yet.
Hello.
Right, everyone's here. Ready?
Yep.
Okay. Actors, start your jetpacks. They're very noisy.
What did you say?
I said they're very noisy.
Can't hear you over the jetpacks. They're very noisy.
Okay. And action. I said action. Action! I said action, but you didn't hear me.
Oh, did you? Well, that's not going to work, because if we can't hear you saying action, then we won't know when to press the red buttons. And we won't fly into the air.
Yes, I know. What are we going to do? If the actors can't hear what I'm saying, how will they know when to press their buttons? Oh, hold on. I know what we can use. Do you? I knew this would come in handy. So, instead of saying action, I'm going to wave this flag instead. And when you see it, you press your buttons and then you fly off.
Excellent idea. Oh, she's very good, isn't she? Oh, yes. Much better than that last director. He wasn't very good at all. No, he wasn't. He was...
Could we get on now, please? Mr. Big Cheese is coming soon,
Okay.
and I need to make sure this film is finished before he arrives.
Okay, yes.
Okay, start filming. Start your jetpacks. Oh, they're going. They're flying. We're filming. Wow, look at them go. And cut. Well done, you two. Well done, everyone.
No problem. Looks like it's going to be a good film after all. I'm off for a cup of tea. Nice working with you.
Thanks, Keith. Bye. Well, we did it, but we'd never have done it without remembering everything we needed to know. Film directors decide the best place to put the camera to record what happens. They say action
to start filming, and then they say
and cut.
to stop filming. And they often record each part of the film more than once. Take two, action!
I think it's time we went home.
Rebecca, that was out of this world.
Did you see it, Mr. Big Cheese?
Did I see it? I certainly did. This film is going to be a huge success.
Oh, I'm so pleased. Where did the actors end up?
In a field. The cow was quite surprised. I switched off their backpacks. They're taking off their costumes right now.
What? I've got to go, Mr. Big Cheese. Just one more thing.
What's that, kid?
Can I have that spanner, please?
This is the least I could do. There you go. Thanks, kid. See you later.
Thanks, Mr. Big Cheese. Goodbye.